Hi again, Kevin with In the Shop at Chief Equipment. We're going to talk about getting your ride-on equipment ready for the winter months of not being used. First thing we're going to talk about is this Startron fuel stabilizer. You're going to want to put the correct amount as specified on the back of the bottle into your fuel tank on your tractor and run it for the next couple of cuts towards the end of the season. After you're ready to store the tractor for the long winter months, you're going to want to run it completely dry of any fuel in the entire system. Another step when getting your tractor or ride-on equipment ready for the long winter months is protecting your battery. You're going to want to remove your battery from your tractor for those long winter months and keep it in a warm, dry place. Or your other option is to purchase one of these battery maintainers. This battery maintainer is perfect for those long winter months when you won't be using your battery. If you install one of these, it will definitely help increase the life of your battery when it is no longer in use. Thank you for watching In the Shop with Chief Equipment. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you're interested in these products or any other products, please stop by our Hicksville or Calverton location. Visit our website and shop online now at chiefequip.com.